Me back in for another video. So hello 2025, it's already 2025 na guys, and it's our first vlog for this year. Pero may na-upload ako before this one, which is yung spontaneous exchange gift and overnight namin ni Mia and Kyla. Late upload lang siya kasi tinamad ako mag-edit. So last year, nakita ko, install ko yung YouTube channel ko. Parang 10 vlogs lang ata, or less than 10 nga yung na-upload ko, or like yung 10 videos lang yung nagawa ko last year, which is 2024. So hopefully this year, more than 10 ang ma-upload ko. So for now, it is Sunday, January 12. Andito pa ako sa Sorsogon. And actually tomorrow is our first day, pero asynchronous siya, and then wala pa kasi ako sa Google Classroom, so wala akong update if may class na ako for this week. So I decided na magstay muna for this week here in Sorsogon kasi matagal-tagal akong mawala, and hindi ako uwi until siguro mga March. So yeah, medyo full load ako this sem. So yeah, anyways, today is Sunday nga, and then mag-mass kami, or may attend kami ng mass at 3:30, and after that, straight ahead to SM kasi mag-supermarket, and after that, straight ahead to Sambinon kasi maliligo kami nila mommy. Kasi nga aalis na ako for next week. So for now, yun muna update, and I will see you later guys. So done with the mass. Let's go to SM. Hello guys, good afternoon. It is 5:30-ish or past 5:30 na. So sorry if ganito yung quality kasi I'm vlogging with my iPad, yung camera ng iPad ko, and my iPad is iPad Air 4. iPad Air 4th Gen. So anyways, quick update lang. Today is Monday nga, and it's the next day. So, kahapon, sabi ko is, after Simba, punta kami SM to grocery, and after grocery, straight ahead to Sambinon. Pero, ang nangyari is, nauna yung, sabi nila, today daw, today na lang daw kami mag-grocery. So, straight ahead na kami sa Sambinon, and then, bumili na lang kami ng food sa Andox. So, nakita niyo naman yun sa clip before this one. So, yun lang naman. And then, after that, straight ahead sa bahay na kasi may pasok sila mommy today. So, if nagtataka kayo na andito pa ako sa Sorsogon, yes, andito pa ako sa Sorsogon. And nag-start na yung classes, ma-start yung classes bukas. And wala pa ako sa Naga. So, absent muna ako for this week. So, balik ako ng Naga sa weekend pa. So anyways, yun na yun. And hindi natuloy ulit yung grocery namin today kasi medyo maulan, and then sila mommy gusto na umuwi after sa work. So tomorrow na lang daw kami mag-grocery. So I bought lang milk tea sa Serenity. Nagpa-deliver na lang ako via Food Panda. So dito lang sa house maghapon, and then tomorrow na lang tayo aalis. Yun lang naman yung quick update for this vlog. So, yeah. Comment down below pala guys if anong gusto nyong content ko for this year or like yung gagawin ko kasi baka tamari na naman ako, so hopefully hindi. So anyways, yun na muna and I will be seeing you tomorrow guys. Hello guys, today it's Tuesday around 4 a.m. or 4:30ish. And then here ako sa SM right now, sa CR mismo. Kakarating ko lang, ngayon na kami mag-grocery. Finally, matutuloy na siya. So, I'm just waiting for my mom kasi noon siya umalis sa akin kasi nagpa-derma muna siya. So, sumunod na lang ako and then magkikita na lang kami ito sa SM. So, yeah. Just wearing the Ups t-shirt lang. 2023. See you guys later.
Here at SF, we try and make your shopping experience a pleasure. So list or notice. Take your time going from fun to live, to music and excellent service. On the radio and excellent service.
Nasa Japan. Ayan. Sabi niya,